What's up guys, Bodie here from BodieDavison.com, and in today's video we're going to cover how to make mock-up videos so that you stand out on social media when you're selling your shirts. Now when it comes to selling your shirts online, there's a big difference between just posting an image and hoping for the best versus having a mock-up generated video which actually has a model wearing your shirt. So the best thing about Placeit.net is you can actually make these videos, and that's what I'm going to show you today. As you can see from the market research that Placeit have done themselves, 92% of purchases are influenced by visuals. 67% of the times customers will choose the product with the best marketing. 4 times more customers prefer to watch a video than an image and text post. Videos have doubled the click-through rate than images. Video ads are up to 12 times more likely to convert than image ads. So this is why I want to share this with you guys today, because making these videos with someone wearing your shirt is going to convert way more sales than just posting a still image and hoping for the best. All right, we're over on Placeit.net, and I actually have a link to this down below my video. Feel free to click through that link. It helps me, supports the channel. So Placeit.net is basically your one-stop shop for anything t-shirt design, and they have so many different things on here. It's going to be a lot of videos for me to explain how much stuff they actually have you can do on here. But anyway, today we're going to focus on video mock-ups so we can sell more shirts. So what we'll do is go to mock-ups up here, and we're just going to go down to apparel, and they have this really good link here which is merch videos. So we'll click on this. Then what you can see is lots of different models come up, and if you just hover over it, it'll autoplay. So there's so many different ones on here these days. It's absolutely crazy. This is a really cool one here where it's he transforms. So really cool stuff like that. You can have your image in the middle here. And if we go down to the bottom here, you can see there's 69 pages of this. So you can go all the way through this and find lots of different stuff. You can go to the left here if you're looking for something specific. As we go down, just having a look at some of the other ones that populate here, and we'll just choose one so I can show you how to do it. All right, so just scrolling down, let's see. Don't know why I'm being picky just for a video, but let's choose, because of the image I'm going to choose, I think that'll go well with this one. So we'll click on this. Now what I've done before this video started is actually went and created a logo, because you can obviously do different logos on here. Sorry, through design. And just went t-shirt designs there. So now we have this up, and what we're going to do is go insert image and then go upload from your device. And here's one that I created just before. Now it's gonna come up and I can crop it. So we'll make it pretty big. That looks good to me. Yeah, about that size, go crop. All right, so it just loads up for a second. And now we can see that it's on the hoodie and looks really cool. Then we can just go play. So now you can see it's just processing it. Now tell me that would not grab more attention than just your standard uploaded photo. Photos are good as well, don't get me wrong, I definitely use them, but these videos are going to catch a lot more attention and people are more likely to watch them. The other side of using a mock-up generator with these models is way more people are likely to buy when they see someone else wearing the product. So this mock-up generator is so good because of that. Then we're just going to go download. It'll come up here, it'll process the mock-up, and then it'll come up that it's set for a download. Then we just save it to the computer and we can use it in our social media posts. And here it comes up, so we go click here to download it to the computer. Now, other things to mention here are we can add another slide, so you can make really in-depth social media posts with that, which is really cool. We can change the background color, so you can change it to whatever you want. And obviously we can change the hoodie color as well. So if you didn't want the hoodie to be that color because you want to show that you keep it in a certain color, then feel free to go through and change that. So it'll automatically update, as you can see there. So that really pops on a pink background, and yeah, you would just go through, change it up to whatever you want it to be, and save it and upload it to social media. And then just to upload it to social media, you just come along, do some sort of caption, not something I thought about too much, and just post this onto your social media feed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a like for me. Please hit subscribe. Make sure you check out the Teespring tutorial and print on demand playlist on the channel. And I'll see you guys next time.